Everyone thinks the best-selling spark plugs for the 5.7 Hemi are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you might be surprised by what actually makes a difference in performance. Product number 1, NGK Iridium iX Spark Plugs. First up, we've got the NGK Iridium iX Spark Plugs. Priced at about $190, these plugs caught my eye because they're genuine NGK parts, and that brand is pretty much synonymous with quality in the spark plug world. If you want reliable performance and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. The advanced center and ground electrodes work together to ensure a sharper spark focus, reducing the chance of misfires. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With better ignition, you'll notice improved acceleration and fuel efficiency, and that's what you really want for your 5.7 Hemi. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about performance and longevity, investing a little more upfront can save you money down the road with fewer replacements and better fuel economy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for top-tier performance and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're just looking for the cheapest option with no regard for quality. Overall, you're getting great value for your money with these plugs. Now, if you're concerned about the pricing of the NGK plugs, the next option on my list offers a more budget-friendly approach without sacrificing too much quality. Product number 2, Champion Copper Plus Spark Plugs. Next up are the Champion Copper Plus Spark Plugs, priced at around $72.63. Champion is a name that's been around in the automotive scene forever, and they really deliver on quality. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These plugs are designed to keep your engine running smoothly, thanks to their durable materials and innovative design. The copper core ensures excellent conductivity and heat dissipation, which helps improve engine efficiency. The attention to detail in their design means you'll experience fewer misfires and a more reliable ignition, which is crucial for your 5.7 Hemi, especially if you do a lot of driving. However, some users noted that they wore out faster than expected, which can be a bummer. But honestly, at this price point, you're still getting solid performance and you can always swap them out without a huge hit to your wallet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly spark plug that can still perform well. Skip this one if you need high-performance plugs for racing or heavy-duty use. For the price, you're getting reliable performance that won't empty your wallet. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a good balance between price and performance. Product number 3, NGK set of 16 Iridium iX Spark Plugs. Coming in at about $228, we've got another set of NGK Iridium iX Spark Plugs. This pack is compatible with a range of HEMI models and includes everything you need for a complete replacement. If you want the best for your engine, this is worth a serious look. These plugs are designed for maximum durability and performance. They feature iridium tips that last longer and resist wear better than standard plugs. This means you can go longer between changes, which saves you time and hassle. Plus, the improved ignition efficiency translates to better fuel economy, which is something every driver wants. Now, some may say that this pack is a bit overkill if you only need a couple of plugs replaced. But here's the thing, if you plan to keep your vehicle for a while or have multiple HEMI vehicles, this is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want long-lasting plugs that deliver consistent performance. Skip this one if you only need a single plug or two, it's a bit of a commitment. But for those looking to maximize their investment in their vehicle, it's a solid choice. Now, if the price of the NGK set was a concern, the next product offers a more affordable solution without skimping too much on quality. Product number 4, TRQ Iridium Spark Plug Set. Next on the list is the TRQ Spark Plug Set, priced around $113.98. This set includes 16 Iridium spark plugs designed specifically for a variety of HEMI models. If you're looking for a reliable, performance-oriented spark plug without the high price tag, this is worth a serious look. The iridium core means they can withstand high temperatures and pressures, leading to better performance and a longer lifespan. Essentially, you're investing in a spark plug that's built to last and keep your engine running efficiently. However, some users pointed out that installation instructions could be clearer, which might frustrate some DIYers. But honestly, if you've got even a little mechanical know-how, you'll likely have no issues at all. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a plug that's easy to install and can handle the demands of a HEMI engine. Skip this one if you prefer to avoid any DIY and want a plug that comes with detailed installation guidance. For the price, you're getting a solid product that delivers great value. Now, if you want something that pairs well with ignition coils for maximum performance, let's check out the final product on our list. Product number 5, Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plug Set. Finally, we have the Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plug Set priced at $190.06. This set is designed for a variety of HEMI models and pairs well with most ignition systems. If you want to ensure peak performance and save on fuel costs, this is worth a serious look. This set not only includes iridium spark plugs, but also high-performance ignition coils that work together to restore peak performance. The idea is simple. Stronger sparks lead to better combustion, which means smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy. This is particularly beneficial for those of you who have been experiencing rough idling or misfires. Some complaints point to installation being a bit tricky for those unfamiliar with ignition systems. But here's the thing, if you're willing to put in the effort or watch some DIY videos, you'll likely reap the benefits of improved performance. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for better engine performance. Skip this one if you're not ready to tackle an installation project yourself. For what you get, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to boost their HEMI's performance. So to wrap it up, the NGK Iridium iX spark plugs are top of the line for serious performance. The Champion Copper Plus provides great value. The NGK set is perfect for those who need a full replacement. The TRQ set is a solid option for DIYers, and the Ignition Coil Pack and Iridium Spark Plug set is the best choice for maximizing performance. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.